Welcome back. This is the Eye of Horus Institute's Food and Body series. Today, we have a crucial topic to discuss that impacts all of us, but especially those of us living in the land down under. Why should we worry about UV protection when we go outdoors? Let's dive into the details. Did you know that Australia has the highest incidence of skin cancer in the world? Shocking, right? It's almost always caused by exposure to UV radiation from the sun. But what's even more alarming is that the incidence of skin cancers has been on the rise globally in recent decades due to climate change. Skin cancers, both melanomas and non-melanomas, result from skin damage by ultraviolet radiation, accounting for at least 95% of all skin cancers in Australia. With Australia experiencing high levels of UV radiation, the risk is compounded by our changing behaviours, such as spending more time outdoors, especially in the warmer parts of our country like Queensland. People who live in Queensland have the highest rate of skin cancers in Australia and the highest rate of UV eye-related blinding conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. So why do Aussies as a whole have more skin cancer and eye-related damaging UV conditions? According to the Cancer Council of Western Australia, it's primarily because many Australians have the wrong type of skin for their environment. Migration brought many people with fair skin, leaving their skin cells vulnerable to the DNA-damaging rays from the sun. Interestingly, the amount of UV varies with the season, peaking in spring and summer when the sun is closest to the earth in our particular hemisphere. In Australia, that's from September until April. Ultraviolet radiation is the invisible killer that you can't see or feel. It can be high even on cool and overcast days, so you can't rely on clear skies or high temperatures to determine when you need protection. That's where the SunSmart app comes in handy. It allows you to check the UV levels at any given time or season. Remember, any UV reading of 3 or higher is harmful to your skin, according to the Cancer Council of Australia. So how do we protect ourselves? The answer lies in the iconic Slip, Slop, Slap campaign, launched in Australia in 1981. Australians are now one of the smartest SunSmart nations globally due to the results of this remarkably effective campaign. So you need to slip on a shirt, slop on some sunscreen, and slap on a hat and sunglasses whenever the UV reading is 3 or higher. In Victoria and Tasmania, this is usually in spring and summer. But most southern states, it may be 3 or more in autumn also. And in fact, in Queensland, the UV rating can be 3 or higher all year round, not just the warmer months. The takeaway message is simple. Don't be fooled by cloudy or cold weather. If you're going outdoors, always consult the SunSmart app to find out the UV reading for that time of day. If it's 3 or more, remember to slip, slop and slap to prevent skin cancer. So stay SunSmart, stay safe and enjoy the outdoors responsibly. And until next time, this is the Eye of Horus Institute signing off.